Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this part we are going to start coding our 3D drawer as you can see on the screen, and we left off with the dark mode and the basic setting of the application, the product structure and everything. So yeah, in this part we are going to set up this 3D drawer and the home screen. Basically not the drawer part but the home screen, these three buttons and maybe these calligraphy logo and the Quranic rail. So let's get started. Okay, so we are done. Let's see how if this turns out. So I have this main view, I have this drawer separate out, and I'm using a gesture detector. I have the on track start, which basically catch this starting gesture of the drawer. On drag update is while what's happening when you are dragging, and on drag end is when you leave the dragging effect. So these are the three basic methods, and I have the animation controller, and I'm using animated builder with uh, you know transform.translate. And yeah, let's restart the application and let's see if this works out or not. And before that, I'm going to try a little different thing, that I'm just going to take this child out of the builder so that it won't rebuild every time. But let's see if it works, then okay. If not, then we are going to put it back. And this time I'm going to rebuild the application so that we can get rid of this shared preferences as well, right? So yeah. So we are here, and I forgot a little thing, which is just the drawer button. So let me just add it quickly for you, and we can get started. Rather, I'm just copy pasting it from the other code so that just we can save the time, and we can let's see where we are now. So yeah, finger cross. Let's start. Okay, so I think it's not working because we have taken out the child from the animated builder and it's not building it again, and that's why probably. So yeah, let's try this one now, and I'm going to hot restart the app so that the init state will work and everything is fine. Skipping to the next part, and here we are now. So we are done with our you can say the animated 3D drawer, but there's one little issue, which is this I'm your main screen text is not in the right place. So let's set it up now. Now we have our drawer fine with us. Just a little issues with the UI. Don't worry about it. It's just the width of the drawer. So if we just decrease it to, let's say the width is 280. Where is the width? Let's create something to here. Yeah, that's perfect now. So if we just turn light on, we have a light drawer with us, and if we just simply turn the dark mode on, we have a drawer which is the dark with us. So let me just quickly set up the basic UI that you have seen in the Qur'an application, with the button and with the logo in the back. And yeah, let's set that thing out. Okay, so we are done with the home screen as well, and if we enable dark mode, it will switch back, and we have this little colonic trail, the calligraphy, and everything is set now. And in the next part, I think it's enough, more than enough. In the next part, we are going to set our drawer, this drawer, and we are going to fetch the data from the API. And in the third part, we are going to finalize our whole application with the designing the pop-up bars, the basically the alert dialog box, and designing the UI inside these surahs and the user index. And yeah, so this was pretty much it. If you like this video, please do let me know if there is an improvement that I need to require. Put the suggestions or the mistakes or anything in the comment section. I'm sure I'm going to read them and going to improve them. So hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.